Dear all, in this session we will discuss about use of different social media and professional networks based platforms for faculty members, how to enrich our profile with use of different social platforms, social communication platforms. All of you are already aware with these applications. Nowadays thousands of social networks, social platforms available like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Snapchat, so many. But what is a major use case in traditional way related to social media and professional networks? Generally we use these platforms to enhance our personal relationships, to enhance our personal connections, to generate or to increase our number of followers. We generally strive or struggle to increase our views, likes on YouTube. But many times some important points are skipped, like how to enrich our professional profile. With use of social networks, social media based applications, we can enhance our professional profile also. As an academician, as all of you are faculty members, you might be struggling, you might be applying for different research projects in different agencies. So many times we need some particular expert, subject expert, or a specific professional in that particular domain. So we will see in this session how to make use of social networks for improving our profile, improving our CV, and professional networks. Different tools, different online platforms we will discuss in this session with live demonstration mode. I will try to cover most of the coverage in demonstration mode, but before that we will see by which way we can use it. Okay, so problem solving portals are available, Pinterest for presentations. If we want to generate plagiarism free content also, for that we can use social networks, social media based applications, Instagram, Twitter. Everybody knows about these aspects, but some aspects are generally skipped, like how to use LinkedIn for professional influence and leadership. We can use LinkedIn rather than creating our CV, rather than uh, sending some particular posts on timeline. We will see by which way we can search a particular subject expert. For example, I am working in blockchain or quantum computing. I need a particular subject expert, or I need a funding agency, because I will try to touch those points which on which you will be more interested. For example, you are working on some research project, and on that research project you want some third party funding agency, corporate agency, or government agency. By which way we come to know? One way is that we scan the website of DST, MIT, different government portals. But beyond government portals also, there are lots of postings related to research fundings. If we are striving or struggling for a good publication, then many times we need a professional expert who can guide us in that particular domain. Okay, so LinkedIn, Quora we can use for thought leaderships and influence. We will be able to communicate with a large audience. For example, you are subject expert in a particular domain. As all of you are teachers, all of you are professionals. Some but in some specific subject, you are already having some expertise. But what is your span? Span means what about your reachability? For example, you are expert in a particular subject, and in your state or in your city or nearby your states, people knows you or experts knows you. You want to enhance or increase your visibility to pan India. You are from North India, you want that your connections should be from South India also, from Northeast also, so that you will be able to be connected with a large number of experts. So in that case we will be able to use Quora. Even many times we need to be connected with corporate world. For example, you are working in IoT, Internet of Things. In IoT, you want some corporate agency to be associated with your research project. You need some industry expert. So from where you will get that industry expert? From Quora. You can search, you can elevate your profile. Okay, I will tell you those techniques, those particular methods by which way other people will contact you. One way is that you are contacting others. Other way is that other people are contacting you, and that is better approach. You might have seen that when we approach somebody, when we approach some particular person or agency, many times we get rejected. Okay, I don't know its accuracy in how many cases it happens, but generally what we have seen, when we apply somewhere, when we approach somewhere somebody, we get rejected. Okay, but if we want to increase our profile, if our profile is of that particular way, other people are contacting us and we are already ready for getting acceptance. So how to make that type of connections? YouTube for expertise, demonstration, and reach. Okay, generally we have seen that people, faculty members, students, so many users use YouTube to upload some particular shots, some specific reels on Instagram or some other social platforms. Okay, but whether your shorts or YouTube videos are demonstrating your expertise or not, if you are able to demonstrate your expertise, your specialization, definitely your reach will be improved. Other people will contact you, other colleges, other institutes, other universities will contact you, even corporate world can contact you. Corporate agencies, industries, industry experts, they can contact you for delivery of some particular task, for delivery of some particular session. Okay, in this way we will be able to be connected with a large number of audience. Many times we think that, you might have seen that many times we feel that so many people are earning lakhs from YouTube. Why we are not earning? Okay, we are also having YouTube channel, but we are not earning in lakhs. Even we are not earning in hundreds also, but other people are earning in millions. We are struggling for hundreds or thousands. How it is possible? By which way we can elevate? Because we are not presenting our expertise. We are not demonstrating ourselves. Okay, so that we can do. So first of all, I'm covering these points in presentation, and after that I will show in demonstration mode. uh, One by one platform I will open, and then we will see something, and I will try to explain my views, then you can adopt accordingly. Twitter for leadership thoughts, leadership quotes. You will be able to work out, and trending discussions to be associated with trending discussions. Okay, are you getting these points? Kindly confirm in chat window or by audio. Are you getting what we are covering here, and what is theme of this particular session? What is major motive of this session?
Yes, sir. It's understandable.
Okay, so this one, medium, blog, WordPress. We will see different platforms, how to make use of different tools, how to use different applications for in improving our visibility, improving our visibility on different platforms. Okay, I will not tell you those things in which you will have to spend number of hours every day. Only few minutes we can spend every day. Okay, 20-30 minutes every day or per week, only 1 or 2 hours in total is sufficient to improve or to show yourself to the world. Because if you are showing yourself to the world, only then other people will come to know about you. Otherwise, who knows about ourselves? Okay, for example, am having specialization or some knowledge in a particular subject, but who knows about me? Okay, some people or some contacts. But if we are able to broadcast ourselves, if we are able to present ourselves, we are not saying that we should give we should go for marketing, we should give advertisements or internet banners. We will not cover those parts. Okay, no need to take any paid subscription, no need to take any AdSense or AdWords. Okay, in case of Google, in other platforms also you might have seen paid advertisements are there on YouTube. Paid advertisements are there. No need of any paid advertisement. No need to spend even a single rupee on marketing. With only demonstration of our work, with only demonstration of our specialization or in-depth topic, we will be able to present ourselves. After that, our destiny. Okay, because destiny is the major thing that also we have to consider. But we have to work on that. Turn content into multiple segments. One blog should to be converted. So for example, I'm having one idea in my mind. Okay, one concept in my mind. So same concept, to how to convert it into LinkedIn post, Quora answer, YouTube short, and Reddit post, Reddit space. So many platforms. So simply select 3 to 4 or 5 to 6 social networking platforms. And those social networking platforms you can use for professional networking. And once you are professionally linked or professionally available or demonstrated to the entire world, then other people will contact you. Okay, no need to apply somewhere, other people will ask you. Okay, no need to tell anybody that give my reference to that, give my reference to that place. Other people will see your visibility on network. Okay, so single content. For example, one workshop or one session you have delivered somewhere. So you have to you should convert it into multiple segments: Quora answer, LinkedIn short, reel, and then you will see it will give huge impact. Okay, social media and research you can use as a faculty member, because as of all of you are academicians, you are all of you are researchers. Many times we struggle for good publications, so that is also very very important. Dissemination and sharing of work on ResearchGate, academia, LinkedIn. For example, one research paper you have published in good journal, okay, or not in good journal, in any journal, simply upload it, simply share it on platform academia. You can upload it on LinkedIn, you can upload it on ResearchGate. So many different applications available. By this way, what will happen, at least other people will come to know. So many other experts, professors will come to know, or even policy makers will come to know about your specialization. For example, you are working on quantum computing. Somebody is searching for the expert in quantum computing. So if you are available on LinkedIn, academia, ResearchGate, in that case, your contact details will be available. Okay. Otherwise, if we think that our paper is already available on the journal website, everybody knows that on journal website our phone number is not there. Okay, only mail ID is there. And many times mail ID is also not written in research papers. Then by which way other people will contact us? And one more thing, that if we want to be associated with multiple organizations, then uh, obviously we have to present ourselves as a delivery person also. Thousands, millions of authors available, millions of researchers, paper writers available, but out of those, how many available for delivery of particular content? So if you are delivering your content, if you are broadcasting your content on LinkedIn, ResearchGate, on these applications, then definitely your reach will be improved. Collaboration and learning, academic and research groups, we should be associated with different research groups, different collaboration platforms, so that we should be having a detailed, a rigorous network. and funding and grants awareness. Obviously, if we are available on all of these platforms, on these applications, then we will come to know that which agencies are giving fundings, which agencies are involved in giving grants. Okay, so for such type of searching, for searching these platforms, for searching some agencies, or to find out some particular people, we we can make use of AI also. Okay, artificial intelligence tools can also be used to scan LinkedIn, to find out the networks on different platforms. Okay, so as far as social media in teaching academia is research, you can see that engagement and collaboration, content extraction, content delivering, micro learning, short, reel, infographics. So major thing is that our content should be available on different platforms, on different portals, so that other people, other related experts will come to know about our expertise. Okay, if we are working on a particular domain, we need teammates, we need project mates. In that case, if our if our content is available, then we will be able to be linked with those communities. So maximum reachability is dependent on your availability on different platforms. Okay, micro learning platforms, shorts, reels, generally. So what we do in general, so when we started this session, we were discussing that generally we make use of social media platforms only for social networks, only to increase our friends, only to increase our followers. But what is output of that? For example, somebody is having 10,000 followers. What is output of that? Beside wastage of time, only wastage of time. Okay, somebody is having 20,000 followers, 20,000 friends. We are always linked on, always attached on different platforms just for chatting. Okay, virtual enjoyment. What is that virtual enjoyment? We are not earning anything from that. So rather than that particular virtual things or fantasy or these things, what we can do, we can improve our profile, because at the end our profile, our professional links, they will matter to long run, to for our professional networks, for our professional elevation. Okay, so you can see that. However, so as far as sensitive issues are there, these are also associated, because many times when we are associated with so many platforms, then misinformation, credibility concerns, these are also available, these are also there. Professionalism, online reputation, but no need to worry about these. Our work is to present our work, to present our delivery on different platforms, and let people discuss what they want. Okay, because many times we have seen that researchers, teachers, professionals, they avoid social media. Okay, some people are those who are over active on social media, over involved on social media. They are available everywhere: Facebook, Instagram, reels, and so many other, Snapchat. Okay, anywhere you will be able to find. There is one community, another community, that who are those people who are not available anywhere. If you will find somebody on Facebook, they are not available on Facebook, not available on Instagram, only on WhatsApp, or only on calling. Because of these points, somebody will say about their profile, what other people will discuss. So we have to be in balanced approach. Okay, obviously, if we will not troll somebody else, if we will not discuss about somebody else, we will not comment about anybody, in that case there are chances that we will not be involved in such activities. Okay, we are not saying that it will not happen, but it may happen, it happens somewhere. But leave it as it is. Our major work is to elevate ourselves professionally. In workplace also we face these problems. Okay, but in workplace, how do we satisfy ourselves that it is not recorded anywhere? If somebody has told something about us, then it is told and forgotten. it is not on some website, it is not on some platform. Okay, but if somebody is writing something about our YouTube video, then we get worry, then we think that it is a type of insult or humiliation. Okay, so it is a matter of simply mind, it is a simply matter of our uh, perception, what we are thinking. But in long run, at long path, your profile, your skills, and your contacts, they will pay you till end. Okay, now we will see some platforms, some implementations related to social and network profiles, network social and network media, how to use these for our professional networks, for elevating our professional profile. Okay, so some screenshots I have already given. I will start from LinkedIn. How to use LinkedIn along with chatbot, along with AI. How to use, how to make use of AI chatbots to extract some data from LinkedIn. Okay, so this one is LinkedIn profile. Okay, so few demonstrations I will show you. For example, I want to search about some project funding. So how to find out some experts, by which way I will be able to find out some agencies who are involved in project fundings or who are working in that particular domain. Okay, one way to find out, one way to be connected to project funding agencies is that very classical. We will go to the website of mighty government of India or DST. Then if advertisements are there, in that case we will apply, otherwise we will leave it as it is. Other way is that we will make use of chat gpt. Okay, we can make use of chat gpt or AI based platforms. So some queries I have already written, for example. So you can see that, so some queries I have already written, I will change this also. So LinkedIn query, so I am making use of chat gpt to get some particular pinpoint responses. So LinkedIn query to search project fundings in CSC or IoT. For example, I want to see project fundings in, okay, LinkedIn query to search posts, posts or people. Okay, I don't need people profile, I need posts. Posts related to, posts on project funding in IoT or blockchain or cloud computing. Okay, simply, so just randomly I am typing something. My motive is just to tell you the process. Okay, now you can see this is the query. Okay, this query is generated. Now I will copy this, I will paste on LinkedIn, and you can see that I will get very pinpoint responses, which are accepting some particular project processes. Okay, so many others also we have already entered. So this one, if you want to search for some particular people, that can also be done. So you can see we are hiring, this one. So only those posts are available here which are involved in some project funding or project work. So this, so you can see that this one, $10 million project, and some other also. So you can see we are hiring. So in very pinpoint way, join our research team. Okay, so this one. So rather than scanning entire internet or complete LinkedIn one by one, so we can ask Chat GPT. We can make use of AI chatbot. Okay, if we need some particular subject expert, in same way, if I need some particular subject expert, okay, LinkedIn query to search professor editor on this. So for example, I am struggling for publication of a research paper, and I need a particular editor professor who is having very good contacts in some particular journals, and I want to be associated with that. Okay, to search people, in people, what I want to search, professor editor on this particular domain, okay, or CSC and electronics. Okay, just randomly I'm typing so that I can get some query, and we will fire that query on LinkedIn. Copy code. This code I will paste on LinkedIn. Okay, so you can see that directly we will be able to get those profiles, those specific profiles you will be able to fetch. So in this way we will be able to find out very pinpoint experts, very pinpoint subject matter experts in a particular domain to which we want to be associated. If I want only editor, okay, we can change this particular query. Okay, so you can see that this one, so this one editor as at Springer. Okay, so many other profiles you will find editors in different international journals. Okay, so we can make use of LinkedIn uh, in association of chat gpt or AI chatbots. Any AI chatbot you will be able to use. Okay, for example, I want to see some particular research grants. Okay, research grant funding with keyword hiring or research associate, this one. So you can see post search, job search, people search, copy. So one by one we will see this one. So you can see that all of these are associated with some particular research funding agency. Okay, in same way, if I want to go for job search or post search, some particular posts, people or posts, which posts are associated with research grant or research fundings. So you can see that this one, hiring research associate, hiring implementation consultant. Okay, so all of these are having word hiring. Why? Because I have written that in that particular keyword hiring should be there. Obviously, if somebody, these are very common keywords on LinkedIn, on different platforms. If somebody needs some associates, they will write hiring. Okay, so hiring, so this one, hiring alert. Okay, so whether you are searching for job or you are searching for some project associate, you will be able to use uh, this particular query format. Okay, so you can see that if I need from some specific location, like from Chennai, from Bangalore, from North India, from South India, or any particular location, we can specify. Is this clear to all of you? Are you getting this point what we are discussing here? Kindly confirm.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can see that in this presentation, in this PPT, I have given some screenshots. So for example, I need some startups. Okay, so for example, LinkedIn query to find up startups, to find startups, because as a faculty member, many times we think to be associated with some startups. Okay, so we can see that particular startup, we can search in that particular domain. Okay, so you can see that so many opportunities available. Main thing is that we should know how to search. Okay, total deals, this one. So In this way we will be associated with industry, with real time industry experts. So to find people in this way, you can write the queries. LinkedIn query. So for example, this one, I want to see this particular, so all of these we have generated from ChatGPT. So this is the query: LinkedIn company, startup, early stage, seed, stealth. Okay, now I need some early stage startups. Why early stage startups? Because for some particular research work, for some particular implementation, you can see many times we need to be associated, and early stage startups also need subject experts. Now I will give you one example. For example, you are expert in IoT. Okay, so obviously, large companies, large scale companies, big corporate giants, they will not contact any third party directly. Okay, if for example, X person is expert in blockchain. Okay, now th- obviously TCS, Accenture, Infosys, Microsoft, they will not contact that X person. For example, X is working in some university as an assistant professor. So obviously, TCS, Infosys, these corporate giants will not contact that particular professor or whosoever until and unless that person is not having good contacts. But early stage startups will definitely contact. For example, I am running early stage startup or initial startup. Okay, you might have seen many startups in Shark Tank. They come for some fundings. They come many times on startup on Shark Tank. There are startups who are having money, who are having knowledge, but they need only supervision. You might have seen that on Shark Tank. When people come, when entrepreneurs come, they ask, many times they present their revenue in millions, in $1 million. In every month they are earning 50 crore, 70 crore. So then those experts ask, why you have come here? You are already earning crores per month. Why you are here to ask 10 lakh rupees or 20 lakh rupees? They say that we know don't need money. We need your guidance. We need your supervision. Okay, for expansion, for research. So as an academician, as a teacher, as a professor, generally we teach our students, we mentor our students or research scholars. But many times, industries also, early startups also search the professors, they also search the subject experts so that they can get guidance. Okay, so all of so these you can get from this particular query. So link on LinkedIn we are firing that particular query, and these queries we have generated from ChatGPT or Copilot, Google AI Studio. So so many. Okay, or startups. So main thing is that you should know how to write that particular query, how to write that specific uh, prompt. Okay, in posts. Okay, early startup. And you can propose them, you can offer them about your services, about your expertise. And then we don't know to which particular agency we will be connected at which level. And uh, from that we can earn good amount. Okay, and amount is separate thing. Major thing is that we will be associated to real world industry, to actual industry. We will be associated to new fresh faces, to young people we will be associated. And obviously our knowledge will be improved for that. Okay, in that particular activity our knowledge will also be improved. For example, in a particular startup in your city or in some particular location, you are associated with your subject specialization. Then our knowledge will be improved. Along with that, we are contributing to the society, we are contributing to the social world as well as corporate world. And along with that, we will come to know what is going on in industry. Otherwise, as a teacher, as a professor, many times we don't know what is going on in industry, which particular concepts are there, how they are implementing. New students, fresh btech pass out, fresh graduates, they are working on entrepreneurship. But as a professor, in as a experienced mentor in 40s or 50s or 60s years of age, we are not able to do. Okay, but students or fresh graduates who are in 20s, they are working very good in that particular technology. So with this particular way, we will be uh, associated to large audience. So this is one implementation you can explore simply on chat gpt. You can write your query anything. Okay, major part is that rather than only content creation on chat gpt, rather than only paper creation or paragraph creation on chat gpt, we can make use of how to use it on social platforms, how to search somebody on facebook. Okay, so this one,
Bagaimana?
so this one, so you can, this one, you can search for example, query to find out senior administration level, senior administrators in universities. So this particular query.
Jawab.
Okay, for example, this one.
बघावं लागेल सर आता कारण काल 3-4 झाले होते एक्झॅक्ट
So is it
असं
visible
आहे
and audible to all
का
participants?
बघून
Kindly
घेतो
confirm. Is it visible and audible to all of you? Kindly confirm.
Yes, sir, it is audible. Sir.
Now, so this presentation I will share to all of you at end of the session so that you will be able to work on it. Now we will discuss about another platform, that is Quora. For elevating our profile, for improving our connections, for improving our professional connections in our area of specialization. Okay, in whatever domain you are working, then how to use this platform Quora. Actually, this particular tool, this particular online platform is meant for questions and answers. I think some of the participants here might be using Quora tool. Okay,
येस सर
what is major purpose of Quora? Along with Quora, we can use Reddit also. Reddit. Okay. Okay. First of all, we will discuss about Quora. Actually, it is a portal for questions and answers. Now, if we use this platform to present our specialization, in that case, our professional connections will be improved to huge extent. We can elevate our professional connections using this in whatever domain we are having expertise. For example, you are expert in data science and artificial intelligence. Okay, so what you can do, you can join this community. You can, so there are number of communities, number of uh, blogs available related to different subjects. For example, data science, I am searching here data science. Now related to data science, you can see that different questions are available, questions as well as answers. And many corporate giants, many corporate experts are actively involved on this platform in giving the responses. For example, I join this particular platform, I join this specific block, data science. Okay, if I'm working in machine learning or ai chatbots, I can join. Okay, that specific topic of my interest I can take. Now what will happen, people, subject experts from different locations throughout the world, they ask the questions on this platform, And if we are able to answer those questions, so what we can do, whatever question is put, we can respond, we can give answers to that particular question. So for example, this one, okay, I will see which questions are available. Okay, so you can simply create your profile. For example, this one is the question, or what is future of data analytics in 2025. So up to now there is no answer. So if I want to answer this question, so I will click on answer. Okay, in my own language, in my own way, I will give answer of this particular question, okay, without plagiarism. Okay, I will write few lines, 2 to 3 lines I can write, and this answer will be submitted on this platform, and it will be forwarded to that particular person who asked this particular query. Now what is benefit of that? Question arise that, okay, somebody asked this question, I have replied this question, but what we have gained, we don't know to which particular expert we will be associated at a particular time. And one more thing is there, you might have seen when we search any particular question on Quora, on Google, when we search any question on search engine like Google, then top priority is given to Quora. So if some particular, if some specific agency, some particular experts, they are asking, they are searching for some specific domain on Google also, in that case, if you are available on Quora, in that case your profile will be connected. Many corporate people, they are associated on this platform in giving the responses, in asking the questions. Okay, in this way we will be, or we may be connected to top level corporates. So you can see that many people are associated. So if I see this one, I'm tech in computer science, JNU. Okay, and if I want to see some professors, they are also available. If you want to see some particular analysts, so you can see that system analyst at IT consulting. So this person asked this particular query, and I can reply this particular response. So we don't know that uh, to this particular person, to this specific expert or system analyst, we may be associated. Okay, we don't know to which particular level, to which managerial level this person is working, this particular expert is working. And if we are able to present our response in effective way, in that case, definitely our, in our professional connections, some very good profiles will be associated. So in, you can see that so many subject experts. So you can see this, if I want to see this particular profile. Okay, so these are top level or very high profile professionals, and you can see that content views, how much they are active, 1.2 million content views. Okay, what about subject area? Applied mathematics, Harvard University. Okay, so if I want to be associated with this person for my research work, for research funding or anything, definitely I should be associated with this by some way. Which, what is possibility of that some way? That possibility is by replying this particular question, by following this particular expert, and after that we can be optimistic. Okay, we may be optimistic that we it may be possible that at some particular point we will be having very rich professional connections, very effective professional connections. In same way, for example, I want to see some particular quantum computing expert, quantum computing. Okay, now same query I can generate from chat gpt. Okay, Quora query to search professors and corporate people related to quantum computing on Quora. Now you can see that rather than manual doing each and everything on Quora, I will ask ChatGPT query to generate this one, or I can write here Quora query to search professors and corporate people related to quantum computing. Enter. It will give me Quora query. Okay, so you can see that in this way. Okay, whatever query you have put in, so we can search, we can contact with these subject experts, and you can see that these are very much active on these platforms. So PhD in sonochemistry, microfabrication, Stanford applied physics, and so on. Okay, so rather than being involved in classical social platforms, we should be involved on such activities. We can be associated on these platforms to enrich our profile. And another in same way, that is Reddit. Okay, in Reddit also, so nowadays Reddit is more popular. Okay, it is widely used for sharing your views, for sharing your content. Okay, so you can log on with your Google account, Reddit, and if I want to share some particular article, so anything you will be able to submit. For example, you are working on a particular domain. On that particular domain, you want to submit one article. So what you can do, create. Okay, no need to write complete article or lengthy article. Simply write anything, whatever is in your mind. For example, by sitting in some free time, I want to write, okay, AI chatbots for research. Okay, so whatever content I'm having, I will paste here and post. So we don't know that to which people, to which person we will be associated, and that person, by which way that person will be beneficial for us, or by which way other readers may be in our good contacts, professional contacts, corporate contacts. Okay, otherwise what happens, we generally post our messages on social media, and we feel happy that, okay, 2 likes, 3 likes, we have done something, we have posted on Facebook, Instagram, and after that we count, okay, out of my 500 friends or 200 friends, how many liked. Okay, if somebody is not liking, then we feel frustrated that this person has not liked my post. Okay, so rather than these type of activities or these type of emotions, keep on posting whatever you have, keep on posting. Whether somebody like or dislike or don't read, leave it as it is. Simply broadcast your content, whatever is in your mind, write and post. Okay, in this way, after very quickly, Google and other platforms will read your data, they will index your data, and you can be uh, having very good contacts. Okay, whatever content, for example, lecture notes, okay, study material on a particular subject, you can create your own community. Okay, you can create your own community, you can create your own space. Okay, any particular space you will be able to create. So create a particular post. If you want to create a community, that can be done. For example, some particular study material, some lecture notes, some presentation, some PPT, whatever you are having, simply you can upload, and after that, uh, we, we will be able to elevate our profile, we will be able to enhance our profile. At some particular point, we will have very good connections, very good professional connections. Okay, so this one you can use. to this point, is it clear to all of you? Kindly confirm. Up to this point, is it clear to all participants? For example, I'm searching about data science. Okay, related to
Yes,
that,
it is clear.
Yes,
related,
sir.
related to data science, lots of questions available, lots of communities available. So you can see 2.7 million members, 1700 million, 17,000 members. So if I open this community of data science, for example, I am working in data science or AI. Okay, first of all, I will see 2.7 million member based community, this one. And here on this community you will see most of the international experts. Most of these experts will be international, not from Asia. Okay, I'm not saying that Asian people or region or people from the our location, they are not serious, but major thing is that how much we are professionally aware. Okay, if we have some ridiculous or some comedy based space, in that case, so many people will be associated from our region, from nearby region. But whenever there is some professional task, you will see how many experts will be there. Okay, they are discussing genuinely, they are discussing actually about the topics, about data sets, about AI chatbots, about what AI is doing. Okay, if you will see our audience, specifically youngsters, school going children, college going students, okay, they are involved in some unnecessary activities, some unnecessary spaces. Okay, just posting some ridiculous or comedy video, and then we think that okay, it should be viral and then we will earn some money by getting money from a viral video, whether it is social, anti-social, or whatever it is. Okay, rather than that, in a particular format on or in a specific direction towards society, towards nation, we can work out. Okay, so in same way, if you want to see some specific uh, community, for example, Internet of Things or AI chatbots, AI chatbots for research. Okay, so you will get so many ideas about which other chatbots are available for multiple applications. So you can see that this one, all of these, and by this, by these applications, by these platforms, you will come to know about different ideas also, different research topics also. Okay, on which topics other people are doing research in same domain, or which new dimensions are available related to research in a specific segment. Okay, Reddit, Quora, these you will be able to use. Now another platform that we can use, that is medium, medium.com. Very popular tool, very popular platform, cloud based platform to share your articles. Okay, sharing, to share your articles. So what you can do, okay, because this thing also a matter of concern, that how to write articles, do we have to uh, create separately. So whatever lecture notes you are having, whatever study material you are having, whatever presentation you are having, simply you can convert it in this format. Okay, so right. Okay. So simply, so articles you will be able to post. For example, I want to put, okay, use of AI chatbots in research and academics. Okay, so 3 to 4 lines or few lines we can write here. It's Android app is also available. Okay, so whatever content is in our mind we can write, and after that it will be broadcasted. And you might have seen when we search about some particular topic, then many times we get a link of medium. You also might have seen, for example, you are learning about machine learning, deep learning, AI. You want to search something about a particular concept. Many times medium articles are given. For example, so I'm giving you one demonstration. For example, I want to see, okay, AI chatbots and transformers, okay, or transformers and pipelines in deep learning. Okay, on Google I am searching. Okay, I'm not using ChatGPT. On Google I am searching, so we will see which results we will get. Looking face. So you will see this is medium article. So I have not written anywhere that I need medium article. So this is medium article from some author. So I am reading this. Okay, so what is now, what we want to say or what we want to analyze. So if this article is good, then this person or this particular expert or this writer will be in our consideration, or at least we will come to know that this person is an expert in this domain. So for example, I am opening this article. So on Google, when you search about some particular concept, medium is given top priority. So you can see on first page we are getting medium article. In same way you can upload your article. So you can see this is some person, Rohan Kotwani, and so this article is written. And if I think that this particular person, this writer is having good knowledge about this topic, about this particular domain, then we can contact it. Okay, another topic, for example, I'm taking another topic like large language models in AI. Okay, on Google I'm searching, so we will see which results we are having. Wikipedia, Geek for Geek, and very soon you will see medium article. Now you can see this medium articles. So this is somebody, Andreas, or whatever it is. Okay, so this is looking some foreign name. Okay, so 4.8 thousand likes. So you can see on very first page, medium article is given the parity. Now I want that my article should be on very first page of Google search. For example, I am writing about AI chatbots. I want to elevate my profile. I want to elevate uh, my connections. In that case, I will start writing on medium.com. Okay, I will put so many articles. Okay, weekly one or two articles are sufficient. Okay, we are not saying that every day we have to write articles, or we have to upload hundreds of articles. Okay, simply one or two articles. After 1 or 2 days you can upload, and after that you will see your name will be on first page of Google. If somebody will search about your topic, then your article will be on first page of Medium, will be on first page of Google. On first page of Google, you can see that so many Medium articles. Any other topic. So randomly we are taking. So for example, I want to search about some particular topic like theft detection in electricity using AI. Okay, I want to learn about this topic. So on Google, I am searching. So you can see that some research papers from Springer, ACM, these are, and along with that, so after these research papers, we will get some Medium article also. Okay, Medium article also can be there. Okay, or AI for electrical engineering or AI for electric vehicles, whatever it is. So and first of all these articles and research papers, and after that we will get some particular URLs related to Medium. Okay, so by this way you will be able to work out. So any concept you are searching. Okay, for example, you are searching about gradient descent in machine learning. Okay, so we will see which results. So this one is concept based, so you can see on very first page this article is available, Medium article. Okay, So if you so as a teacher, as a mentor, as a professional, if we want to elevate ourselves, if we want to improve our profile or improve connections, then keep on writing. Okay, few articles you can write, and then you will be able to get some stories. Okay, so many articles you can publish. Okay. So every day, so there is so per day 3 articles you can upload on Medium, and it is completely free. No need to pay anything. In free variant, you will be able to upload 3 articles every day. Okay, so 3 articles every day. It's up to you if you are having capacity to write 3 articles. That is fine. Otherwise, weekly 3 to 4 articles you can put related to your subject, and then your indexing will be on top, on first page of Google. Okay, in whatever domain you are working. In same way, you can work on WordPress, WordPress, WordPress.com to upload the articles. So same article, what you can do, same article you can rephrase with ChatGPT. So for example, one article you have prepared, it's another variant you want to upload on WordPress. So what you can do, so post. Okay, so add post. Anything whatever is in your mind on whatever topic you are interested. If you are if you are interested in spiritual topic, if you are interested in yoga, in mental health, or whatever it is, in whatever domain you want to be famous, in whatever area you want to improve your profile, okay, on that topic you can write articles, and then it will be indexed automatically. Okay, so for example this one. So some articles are already uploaded. Okay. For example, this one free simulators. So just for example, for like this one, I have mentioned that free simulators for 5G, 6G networks. Okay. So I don't know who is reading this article, who is not reading, whether it is having 0 views or 1 view or 1 million views. Okay. No need to care about it, that it is having 0 views or not. Okay. Simply upload. We don't know when this zero will become 1,000 or 1 million. Simply keep on posting, and at one particular time your profile will be elevated. And even if profile is not elevated, in that case also your content is with you. Okay, major thing is that your content is with you. For example, you are having some particular study material in paper format, so that paper format content you can digitize. So that is the benefit. Some other person will read it, they will get benefit. Okay, otherwise if contents are in our files in form of printout or handwritten, then it may be lost. But if you have recorded these sessions, your content in digital format, it will be available online anytime. You will be able to fetch, and at any particular instance you will be able to recover it. Other students will read, other professors will read. Obviously you will have very good connections with other people. You don't know when, at which point other people, other professionals will admire or will appreciate or will acknowledge your work. Okay, even if nobody acknowledge, leave it as it is, in digital format. Okay, rather than expecting that in these number of days we should be having these likes, in these number of days these likes. Okay, simply keep on uploading, let it as it is, and keep on working. So this one, and so now some platforms I'm covering here for real time multimedia data analysis, multimedia data extraction. Okay, however, so this particular domain, this platform can be used to record some particular sessions. Okay, or even your own session also. Vocaru, Vocaru premium voice recording service. For example, a particular lecture, a specific session you want to record, or you want to record your own voice, and you want to upload, you want to share it on social media, then you can use. And what is benefit? because voice recorder is also available in our mobile phone. Okay, we can say that, okay, in mobile phone we will use mobile audio recorder. For example, I am listening some lecture, some session, I want to record, I can open a voice recorder of my mobile, but in my mobile there is no background noise removal. But here you can see that settings remove background noise. Background noise of AC or cooler or fan, these will be removed automatically. Okay, so and one more thing, that data will be on cloud. No need to store, no need to consume our own memory, no need to consume memory of our mobile phone. Okay, simply on cloud. For example, in this session I want to say some lines. Okay, okay, in this, so you can see, in this session we are discussing about some tools related to social media which we can use for teaching, learning, entrepreneurship, or different tasks. Okay, now stop. Now you can see that I have recorded something. Now I want to listen it. In this session we are so discussing this one. If I want to share to all of you, save and share. Now you can see that I am not consuming my phone memory, I'm not using my mic, I'm not using my phone recorder. If I want to share it on Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, WhatsApp, anywhere, if I want to share to all of you with QR code, so I can show you QR code, anybody will be able to see. So everything is on cloud. If I want to download it, this one. So dynamically, if we want to record some audio on cloud and we want to share it to large audience, to number of people, in that case we can use it. There is no limit. Okay, about, okay, for example, I want to share to all of you, so simply copy this link. I will share this link in chat window and you will be able to work on it. Okay, so you can explore this very easy. Vocaru.com for real time voice recording with background noise removal, and on cloud everything will be there. So you can see that this one, any number of time you will be able to record and stop, and once it is done, then save and share. Embed, if you want to embed it in a website, if you want to send to social media, these links are available, or QR code. Okay, so these links I have given in my presentation. In this presentation, so many links are given, so that you will be able to work on it. So one more platform I will show you, that is related to social media, that is video purification. Okay, one more platform we are discussing here. Generally when we watch some YouTube video, when we view some YouTube video, there are some advertisements. If we want to view some YouTube videos without any advertisement, because many times in between the YouTube video we have some distraction. Okay, for example, I want to see, okay, YouTube, this one, machine learning. Okay, so this particular link, copy link address, simply link in this one, purify. Now this video will run without any advertisement. If I play this particular video, in that case it will be without any advertisement. Copy link, and now it will be executed. Okay, so for video purification you will be able to use this purify video dot github dot io. Okay, any URL you can specify and you will be able to work on it. So beyond this also there are lots of social platforms available which you can use. Okay, so I will share link of all of these platforms, so that you will be able to explore these. I'm creating a file related to this document in which different links are given. Okay, so whether it is Quora, and one more platform is very popular platform is Pinterest. Pinterest for infographics based content. Infographics based content, you can use Pinterest. Okay, so in Pinterest, for example, this one.
Sir, excuse me.
Infographics means you want to get some images with some information in that particular image. Okay, so I'm opening it
So
in some.
is it like a cheat sheet, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Please kindly repeat your query.
Ma'am, sir, infographics means it is a cheat sheet.
Yes, actually, many times in presentations we have to use some graphs, we have to use some images. So, very effective professional images we can create, we can generate using Pinterest. All of these are available here. Now, one example I'm giving. For example, I am delivering some presentation related to cloud computing or deep learning, okay, or AI chatbots. Now, in my PPT, in my PowerPoint presentation, I want to show some particular diagram. So one way is that we will write in bullets or numbering. Rather than using bullets and numbering, what we can do, we can write that particular, we can take that image from Pinterest. Very professional images will be created. So you can see that if I will use this image, it looks more professional rather than writing it in text format. So you can see that I'm opening it in a new window, in new tab. So is this visible, ma'am? For example,
Yes, sir.
I want to explain about machine learning. So if I am using this type of diagram or this type of image in my presentation, it looks more professional. Okay, one way is that we are using others images, other way is that uh, whatever images we have created, we can upload it. So for example, to my students, I want to explain about machine learning. Okay, so what we can do, so you can see that how much it is professional. So it looks more professional, more effective as compared to classical image. So if I'm using this diagram in my presentation, in my research paper, or in my content, in that case it is looking more professional, more effective, and easy to explain. Okay, so infographics means information into in graphics, information within some graphics. So what you can do, if you want to elevate your profile, what you can add your own images, whatever images, for example, some diagrams you have created to teach to your students. So you can upload those images here on Pinterest, so that other people, other students, other researchers will come to know, they will be benefited from your content. Okay, many times what happens, we are very protective about our content. Protective means, I have created this content, why should I give it to somebody else, somebody else will reuse it. Many times we have such type of misconceptions, or uh, we can say that these are genuine matters also, genuine concerns also. But if some other person, if some other people are getting benefits from our diagrams, from what we are teaching in classroom, then let it as it is, no problem. Let other people learn, let other people download, and they should reuse. It is not a research paper. Okay, we are not saying that we should upload our research paper before publication. Okay, but whatever we are teaching to our students, that can be uploaded. Whatever diagram we have created on paper, uh, that can be converted in this format and we can upload, because we don't know to which person we are giving benefit, which other people are uh, uh, getting idea about some specific concept. Okay, so it will be a contribution to the society, to the academic world, and to our academic communities. Okay, however, these things are debatable, whether these things should be shared or not. Okay, so many things associated with, related to spiritualism also. Okay, whether it is good or not. Okay, some people will say that it is good, some people say that it is not good, it is our content, why should we share it. Okay, so it is own perception. But whatever we are having, if we will give it openly, then definitely you will get somewhere from some other source. Okay, so now Dear participants, I am sharing this presentation to all of you. Whatever I have covered in this session, I am sharing this presentation to all of you. I tried to some extent to tell the uses of e-tools, ICT tools, social media tools for teaching, learning, for elevation of profile. Okay, so I'm uploading it, and its link will be shared in chat window also. Now, dear participants, one link I'm sharing in chat window, presentation, and kindly confirm is it downloadable or not. Link of this presentation I have downloaded in chat window. Kindly confirm is it downloadable or not. And now session is open for your queries. If you have any query, you can openly discuss. If you have any suggestion, you are most welcome. Any
Yes,
query?
the link is working.
Okay, one link I have shared. On click of this link, you will be able to download the presentation.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have done.